Hello everyone, Krystian Wojtarowicz here. In this video, I will show you how I created a lot of amazing product merch designs with ChatGPT. So for example, this book cover, we've got this smart charger. Here we can create a lot of stickers, we've got a lot of them, shared designs and a lot of more. So this video is a part of my 7-day series, where each day I post a video about ChatGPT image generation. So you can find the videos on this channel, so feel free to check them out. Also feel free to check out our AA community that we have just launched. However, we've got 57 members. For example, we've got Sora Masterclass, which is live. We've got plus 12 courses here. Also image generation course, so how to create perfect images here with ChatGPT. We've got a lot of examples, a lot of use cases. So feel free to check it out. I will put the link in the description of this video. So the first type of design that I will show you, and ChatGPT does it great, are book covers. Because just look on that. We've got don't trust the reflection. We've got here the hand, some character in the background. However, just look how great actually this text fits to the entire book cover, this scene. And in general, we can create this type of the content. So here I typed, design a dark, mysterious book cover, show a foggy mirror with a handprint and a single eye barely visible behind the glass. We've got here the title, so don't trust the reflection. It's written in scratchy white text that looks almost handwritten. So again, book covers are so cool. In general, here you've got another example. So a vintage style book cover with worn texture. Use serif font for the title, whispers beneath the floorboards. And look on this book cover, you can instantly take this book cover and sell, put, anywhere you want. Also, I like this part. So the space, this gap where the lights kind of shine. So this book cover is so perfect. Also this one is so nice. So now I imagine a lot of different possibilities. For instance, let's say you create a children's book, and for example you can create a perfect book cover instantly, or for any other content. The next kind of use case that I will show you are different packages or even boxes. So here, create image of a matte black box with sharp edges and minimal branding. The label says Core 1 Smart Charger, clean, bold font and white with a glowing blue line wrapping around the box. And here, look how professional that is. Like this structure. This is very matte color. We've got so nice. It's very realistic, very professional. Again, I wouldn't even distinguish that from very professional design. So this possibility to, for example, insert this text right here in this exact position is a game changer, because even it would be very hard to do this manually. Of course, when you have the professional graphic designer, he can do this very easily. However, we've got also the time kind of the circumstances. So it takes a few minutes to do the stuff. And you had, for example, in other circumstances to open the editing tool or even, pay for the editor. Another case is, for example, this one, 100 compostable air first packaging. Again, on the grass. Here, the text is so crisp, so perfect. Again, so cool. Another example, create an image of a craft paper box with the label Fresh Box Family Pasta Night. It features a small Italian flag, tomato illustrations and simple step icons on the side. Next to it are fresh ingredients: pasta, tomatoes, basil, kitchen countertop background. And there, even we've got here the instruction, So here, tomatoes, basil, pasta, and Fresh Box Family Pasta Night. Again, so nice. And I think I actually leave it to your consideration, to your judgment. However, for me, these packages are so professional, nothing else needed to be added. Also remember, you've got in the right top corner this select feature. So let's say you want to change something, you can actually insert the mask and right here type the prompt to change something, and you can do this. However, now let's go ahead to another case of product merch designs. We've got stickers. Stickers with text. So here, create image of a grumpy frog holding a coffee cup with text. Not before caffeine. And there you can notice we've got this frog. So cool. Also all of the elements fit to each other. Like this coffee, like this, facial expression. Even, sometimes, can you look on this text? this text is perfectly inserted. We've got this nice structure. I hope you see that, even if we had, for example, other text with other applications, for example, editing software, it wouldn't be in 100%, fitting to the image. However, the structure is very similar as this paper. So it's so cool. Another case is the set of stickers. So here, look on that. We've got this cat in a shoe, working on a laptop, in sunglasses, meditating, covering with the blanket. So here I typed, create image of a collection of 8 funny cat stickers. Each cat is doing something weird. Sitting inside a boot, typing on a laptop, wearing sunglasses, screaming into the void, holding a sign that says feed me, pretending to meditate. So we've got all of these stickers. And again, you can monetize it so much. So create stickers, create book covers, or even, offer to create very professional packages, boxes for some products. Then we've got shared designs. So the prompt is very simple. Type on the t-shirt and create more, scroll less. So it's very kind of corporate design, very professional. Mostly we've got this design. Let's say if you would like to design some t-shirt, or even, insert some on this t-shirt. So you can actually either type the text or not, and there just insert something here. Then we've got another here the design. So this is kind of the product ad. Also here it was. However, there we've got for Nike. So just keep moving. This sign. So now even imagine you can actually create for some company. You can create product ad and actually sell it to them. Then we've got tote bag designs. So here, create image of a tote bag hanging on a pink background with holographic style print that says main character energy. And again, we've got something so cool. So perfect design, and nothing could be added here. If you would like to insert other colors, you can do this. Other text, of course, you can do this. So everything is perfect. And here another example. So this is more minimalistic one. So grow gently. Here we've got this flower. And in general, that's pretty it. So we had all of these use cases. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite one, and if you would like to see more of this stuff, again, post the comment. Remember to check out our AI community, where we have plus 12 courses. You can integrate with others, you can talk and learn about the latest AI news. For now, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next material.